Hello, everyone, and to conclude this week's study, we began with the two thumbnails of a tutorial that I've been working through. Now I chose this one and made a little bit larger, finished piece for it, which was a challenge in itself. I veered a little bit from the tutorial that I was working from, given that the background, some of the, things in the tutorial are different given the background and the foreground. But overall, I think veering and kind of going as you're led, is a good tool as well. But for the next one, I'll follow the tutorial closely just to understand it a little better, and then add variation to it. So some of the things that I enjoyed and I like about this piece is the background, the texture of it. I think for the next round, I want to improve the depth. So dark to light, or dark at the edges and then light at the horizon line, or just to have a little bit more perspective within the piece. And so similarly to that, dark to light within the clouds. I like how they turned out and some of the techniques that I use. But again, to improve on that for the next round, I want to go dark to light, and as well experiment a little more with the yellow and metallic watercolors because they gave a nice, reflective or light reflection on the clouds. All right, so see you guys in the next one. Looking forward nervously to the Zapdos 3 study pieces for the coming weeks. So look forward to those, and I am again nervous about them, but I'm looking forward to them. So we'll see you guys in the next one for the first round of those studies, and stay tuned. There will be more of those. All right, have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.